model, 2021 Citroen Berlingo Partner Enterprise Bluehdi Great mileage spares or repairs. Body, red, panel van. Mileage, 100495. MOT, the 27th of May 2025. Engine, 1499 cc DV5 RERDE2. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a misfire. Timing belt has slipped, suspected 1 to 2 teeth out of timing. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 0 former keepers, cruise control, air-con, electric windows, sat-nav, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,175. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0